Good day everybody, my name is Daniel, and in today's video I just wanted to show you guys how to use GitHub. There's someone in the comment section that once said that they don't know how to use GitHub, and I always refer to it or mention it. So guys, in the videos that I post, there's always going to be a link that that is titled GitHub. So that link hosts all the source code. So maybe some of you are not interested in copying each and every single line from the videos that I make, or maybe your solution doesn't work and you want to compare solutions. So there's source code that I've uploaded onto the internet. Okay, it's on a website called GitHub. So how you access and how you download this code, or the code that we go through in the video, is very simple. Check it out. So if you click on one of the links or the GitHub link in the YouTube videos, this is the page that you're going to get to. Okay, so yours might be light, you might have a light theme, right? But it's the same thing. You're going to see this, you're going to see course 1512 or course 1511 or whatever video, or whatever tutorial series that you clicked on, and you'll see all the files here. Okay, you can go through each and every single file and actually go through the types of files and actually copy the code from here like this, and you can just copy the code, or you can just see the code if you want. You can click on back if you want to navigate backwards. All of these are folders, right? You can click on IO streams and go into this particular folder right here, and you can see the code, right? However, if you want everything, okay, you just want to download everything all at once, you can just go to this code button right here, and then there's a download zip. So you can click on download zip and it'll download the zip file. And obviously if you unzip your zip file, if you extract it, and this is me extracting it over to my desktop, click OK, it extracted. And then if I go on my desktop and I actually open the folder, and here you go. So these are all the files that I have created so far. So if you look closely, you realize that these folders comprise of all the tutorials that I've done so far. Okay, so if I were to go into, I don't know, chapter 5, assert macros and void functions, I actually didn't create that tutorial yet. However, if I go into, I don't know, structs, right, chapter 10, you have the main file right here. If you double click on it, your IDE that you've set to default will open up. In my case, it's Visual Studio Code. However, you don't have to, or if it doesn't open for you, you can just right click on it and you can just edit with Notepad++. If you have that. If you don't have it, you can open it up with what's this? Notepad or WordPad. So if you open with Notepad, this is what you'll get, and you can, like I said, copy the code, paste it in your own IDE, or whatever works for you. Okay, so yeah, that's basically it. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.